Hi, everyone. My name is Stephanie Duran, and I am taking this class because it is part of a prerequisite for the nursing program that I have applied to at Regis. It's the choice program for your BSN to get your bachelor's in nursing. I've gone back to school to get my degree in nursing after 33 years, which was a big decision. I currently am a practice manager at a primary care office with 6 providers and have a pretty busy job, but I've decided to change things up and go on the clinical side. I not really exactly sure what a philosophy class is all about. I've talked to a couple people about it, and it sounds kind of scary, something that I'm not really sure about. I'm not really sure I think this way, but heck, I'm open to learning new ways to have some thinking skills and opening up my mind um, and get through it with all of you. I am not even quite sure what a philosopher does, but I am guessing that they do a lot of critical thinking, deep thinking, questioning you or others, and getting you to think about things a different way, and not necessarily um, argumentative or to prove themselves right. Um, but I am a pretty black and white person, so I am not sure at the end of this course I will be a very good philosopher, but I'm going to give it my all. And let's see, in my free time, I like to do a lot of home projects, work with flowers in my yard. I also have 2 children that I enjoy spending some time with if I am allowed, and make the cut. My son is 25 and my daughter is 23, and my son just graduated from college 2 years ago, and my daughter is now a senior at UNC. So the 3 of us are on this journey together. So that's it. And I look forward to doing this class with all of you. And we can do it, and we'll all get through together. Thanks.